Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control, while observing July 19 as the accession day to Pakistan today, said the Kashmiri people had decided to link their future with Islamic Republic of Pakistan even weeks before its creation on this day in 1947. According to Kashmir Media Service, on 19 July in 1947, genuine representatives of the Kashmiris unanimously passed the resolution of Kashmir's accession to Pakistan during a meeting of the All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference at the residence of Sardar Muhammad Ibrahim Khan in Abiguzar area of Srinagar. APHC leaders including Professor Abdul Ghani Bhatt, Abdul Ahad Parra, Zamruda Habib, Yasmin Raja, Khadim Hussain, Maulana Sibte Shabir Qumi, Advocate Davinder Singh Bahal, Chaudhry Shaheen Iqbal and Imtiaz Ahmad Reshi in their statements in Srinagar said the historical resolutions thwart the nefarious plans of the Indian and British rulers against Muslims. The leaders urged the United Nations to play its role in resolving the Kashmir dispute as per the wishes and aspirations of the Kashmiri people. Speakers at a seminar organized by APHC-AJK chapter at its office in Islamabad in connection with the accession to Pakistan Day said the Kashmiris will continue their struggle till Jammu and Kashmir became part of Pakistan. The seminar was presided over by APHC-AJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar. A webinar titled 75 Years of Kashmiri's Accession to Pakistan was organized in Islamabad to highlight the importance of the day. The event was organized by Islamabad Institute of Conflict Resolution in collaboration with Legal Forum for Kashmir. Participants of a rally taken out in Muzaffarabad also renewed the Kashmiris' resolve for carrying on their struggle till Jammu and Kashmir's liberation from Indian illegal occupation and merger with Pakistan. Meanwhile, speakers including Member of British Parliament Naz Shah, Labour Party in charge campaign David Taylor and former Jamaat-e-Islami Azad Kashmir Amir Abdul Rashid Turabi addressing the Kashmir conference in High Wycombe, UK, called upon the international community to save South Asia from a big catastrophe as a result of hate politics being persuaded by the Modi-led Indian government in the region. The event was organized as the Labour Campaign for International Development and Labour Friends of Kashmir to discuss on how peace can be achieved in Kashmir.